Welcome back to another video. I'm actually popping on from the future, the end of this video, just to intro it and say I hope that you enjoy this one. There's going to be lots of cooking. I actually went for a gorgeous lunch today that I need to show you guys. I also show you a little haul from Organic Basics, who are really kindly sponsoring today's video, and I got so many nice new bits, especially some bits for our summer holiday. So stay tuned for those, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm heading out in a minute to go and meet a friend. Not in a minute, in about half an hour, to meet a friend for some lunch. I'm going to take you guys with me. We're going to a really cute little local wine bar that kind of does like small plates. And it said it's a music-led venue, so let's see what it's like. I think on a Sunday they have live jazz from 2:30 and our table's at 2:30, so let's see what it's like. I'm really looking forward to it. This morning we got up, had a bit of a slow day. I actually made some delicious bagels for breakfast. I had all the ingredients, including my favourite M&S protein bagels, and I made for me a smoked salmon and cream cheese bagel with loads of lemon juice and salt and pepper, and it was absolutely delicious. Enjoyed that with a little coffee, and then I've just got showered and ready. I actually wanted to show you guys, I've been on the hunt for different sunscreens recently. Obviously the La Roche-Posay Anthelios is really good, really like lightweight and emulsified, if that makes sense, like really runny and just goes on really nicely under makeup. It's now like creeping up in price. I'm pretty sure it's like in around 20 quid for the bottle, and it also taints my nails a little bit of a yellow colour. I don't know if anyone else has found that, but anyway, I've always been on the hunt for a new one. I love the Kiehl's one. Often I'm not near a Kiehl's, and yeah, I ran out and I needed a new one. So I actually picked up this one. This is the Nivea Sun, the UV Specialist. It's got a really similar consistency to the Kiehl's one and the Anthelios. It's very liquid. Goes on really nice under foundation. It kind of smells like a Nivea sun cream without being too, like, I don't know, I think it brings up some nostalgia from my childhood, but it is really good. And it says specifically on the front, for blemish prone skin and does not clog pores, and it's 50 plus. And I feel like it's going to last a really long time, and so far I think it goes really nicely under makeup. So I thought I would just quickly mention that. But the real reason I am sitting on my bedroom floor is that I have a bit of a haul from you. I have a bit of a haul for you from Organic Basics, who are really kindly sponsoring this video. So Organic Basics are actually a Copenhagen-based activewear and everyday essentials clothing brand. They prioritise using organic and recycled materials wherever they can in their products, and they sent me a bunch of different items to show you guys. I'm going to do a bit of a try on haul. Let me know what you think. So the first piece is this, and I think this is how I'm going to like style this in my head. Let me see if I can actually dig out my denim skirt. I'm imagining denim skirt, like proper true blue denim skirt, this lovely red pointel. This is called the pointel bodysuit. It has the thong high-rise leg, which I think is just so comfortable when you have a bodysuit. The full bum briefs often are just not my favourite. I much prefer a thong. And then it also has this gorgeous, this is the kind of detailing that I love on these pieces. It's got the little bow in the middle, and then this gorgeous, I don't even know what you call this, but they call it the pointel fabric, and I just think it looks so sweet. They also do this in a white, and I think also black, but I kind of thought I'm going to push the boat out. I'm going to go for something a little bit different. I thought the red would be really nice with, like I say, a denim skirt, and then maybe like my chunky black sandals, or even white jeans if you could figure out how to cover the red. I just thought this is going to be such a summer staple in my wardrobe, maybe with a pair of black linen trousers even. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. I still have the tag on it. I think I got the size large. Yes, I went for the size large, because with a bodysuit I just like it to be a little bit more, you know, comfortable. I don't want anything too tight. So next I got a couple of their camis. These are from the Core collection. I went for the rosewood, so I thought this one would be a nice one. I imagine it with a pair of leggings, maybe with like a little grey cardigan with off the shoulder, some nice jewellery, necklaces. It has a really lovely deep V. I really like how these cups like fit on the body, and then it also again has the adjustable straps. So I feel like I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this, especially in summer. You know, when you're just pottering around the house and maybe like going into the garden, doing different bits, nip into the shops. I feel like these are super comfy. They also like give a lot of support, even though there's no built-in bra or anything. It's just like thick material. It feels really good quality. I also had to pick it up in the black, so I feel like this is going to be a really good day to night top. Actually, I feel like I could wear this with, again, a pair of denim blue jeans with like a little black cardigan for at night, and kind of like lean into more of it being like an evening time piece. Again, lots of jewellery. It has the adjustable straps and the nice V. I feel like in summer it's quite nice to get your like décolletage out and like wear some nice body oil, and yeah, I feel like I'm going to get loads of wear out of this one. Then to go with the black, I thought, what better item? And it was styled like this on the website, and I wouldn't typically think to put these two together, but when it was styled up, I thought, God, that looks brilliant. So I picked up the Core Capri leggings. Now these are like a capri pant length, so they're actually like a just below like a pedal pusher length, and the material is honestly like so comfortable. I also love that they have the like little organic basics in the waistband there. Can you see that? I feel like that's such a nice touch. And then the final little set that I got, which I'm so excited about, is actually for our summer holiday. We're going to Paphos, and I thought this red bikini would just be perfect. I went for the medium in the top. It has this gorgeous little gold fastening on the back here. And I just love the kind of like scoop neck. This style is called the Swim Scoop Bikini Top. Again, it's got like the adjustable straps. Everything is just super high quality. And then I went for the bottom, so you can mix and match. There's different kind of types of bikini bottom. And I went for the Cheeky Bum. Is it the Cheeky Bum? I think it's the Cheeky Bum. The Cheeky Bum, the Swim Cheeky Bikini Bottom. And these just look like they're going to be the perfect fit, like super high rise, but also covers the bum, but not loads of the bum, if that makes sense. And I also imagine these would look great with denim skirt. I love how this kind of burnt orangey red looks with denim or like a blue. Do you see that? I feel like it just looks quite modern. I don't know. Is it just me? Who knows? I also have a discount code for you. So if you would like 10% off, then head to the link in the description box. Code is JessHarris10. I'll put that on the screen, and it will also be with a link in the description box, so you can go and shop some of the core layers and also the summer pieces. Obsessed with this bikini, by the way. They're also part of the 1% pledge, which means that they donate 1% of their annual sales to environmental initiatives. I'm gonna go and finish getting ready, and then I will chat to you guys when we're heading out to lunch. Matt's just walking me up into town while he's gonna go to the shops, and I'm gonna head to meet my friend for lunch. We're just getting there now. It's such weird weather. I actually ended up bringing a big velvet bomber jacket and a pair of jeans and everything, and it's actually roasting. It was like cloudy earlier and the weather was looking weird. Should we cross over?
Yeah. Do you care what I make for lunch?
Honey, I'm going out for lunch, so I don't mind.
Not for lunch, for like...
For dinner? No. Matt wants to make a big curry tonight.
Well,
and I'm happy for you to do that. I might just have a little bit when I get in.
Yeah, I feel like...
I won't need lots.
But I haven't looked at the bloody curry bible or anything.
Well, why don't you just Google something and do a recipe that you could Google?
Yeah, okay. Like a one pot recipe.
Yeah, so anyway, I'm heading to meet my friend at a place called Hazel's. Let me just show you, it looks so cute. I'm just heading home after the most gorgeous lunch. That place was honestly insane. I also picked up a couple of little pudding bits for me and Matt. I'm also feeling like in that really cozy Sunday evening feeling. We recently started watching this show called Open House, which if anyone's from the UK and have watched that before, it's quite crazy. Yeah, the show is quite mental. It's basically where couples go to like open up their relationship, and it's been a real eye-opener for me and Matt. We are like the opposite of those kind of people, and it's just mental. So we're gonna watch a few episodes of that, enjoy a few cups of tea and eat our puddings. Had a really nice time with my friend Mana. She is actually a jeweler. She owns a jewellery business, which I will link for you guys. She makes the most gorgeous like solid gold and diamond pieces. Like, I am always watching her Instagram and her like TikToks and stuff, and she's got some amazing pieces, so go and check them out. She always wears this like amazing diamond horseshoe ring, and I obviously have a tiny little diamond horseshoe ring, but she's got like big diamond horseshoe ring. It's so nice. And yeah, had a lovely afternoon. I haven't officially spoken to you yet about my engagement, but I'm sure I will have uploaded another video by now talking about it. So thank you so much for all the love on that. I know that you guys would be so happy for me and Matt. Anyway, I'll do a proper video on that so you can get all the details, and I'll show you everything and chat you through how we got on in Cornwall. It was amazing. I went to Tesco on the way home from work. Actually, let me just put this down and talk to you properly. I was feeling completely uninspired with what to eat for dinner, and I decided I would pick up a bunch of ingredients. I'm trying to get more protein into my diet. So I thought I would make Matt and I a chicken mushroom noodle dish, and I've kind of got a bunch of ingredients to try and make some sort of Asian kind of maybe slightly spicy sauce to go with it, with the noodles. And I bought a load of stuff, so let me just show you. Sorry, I'm rambling, I'm not used to vlogging, it's been a while. Also wanted to show you a bunch of flowers that my mum got me and Matt for our engagement. I mean, I probably would have shown you these already actually. The first thing and the most exciting thing, this Kikkoman soy sauce actually comes with the cutest little keyring. It was 10p more expensive than the Tesco one, and I thought, do you know what, I'm gonna treat myself. Here we go, first thing, very cute. A packet of Sharwood's noodles for the base. I got us like a little pudding as well. These are, well, this is Matt's double chocolate sundae. This is like his favourite pudding, and I don't know, I just thought I would get it for him because it's his favourite. It's quite indulgent. I actually don't know if he'll even eat that tonight. And I got a Bounty. But how funny, we are literally like worlds apart. This would be my preferred choice over this. I'm not doing this for any health reasons. I don't even think Bounties are healthy. Jenny, Matt's mum, my mother-in-law, my future mother-in-law, shout out. She'll be happy to hear, and so my mum. She was also telling me I need to get some marigolds for dishes and things like that now that I've got my new ring. I just went for a plain pink. The traditional marigolds I think are yellow, and I thought pink because I wanted to spice things up. Another little close-up of the ring, but I just basically didn't want to be taking my ring off beside the sink and risking dropping it in the sink. I've heard some horror stories, and also apparently it's much better for your nails not to have them in water all the time. So got my marigolds, very important. Some prawn crackers just for a little side. Some mushrooms. I'm also going to add spinach, and then I picked up a little oyster sauce. This is just to do like a little drizzle in my concoctions. What else did I have to tell you guys? Oh, I actually started listening to another good podcast. You guys know I love The Daily, and there's a new one out about Elon Musk's personal life. Very interesting, all the things he's been getting up to. Yeah, would highly recommend. It's just like a nosy thing. I just love hearing about what people are getting up to in their personal lives. Sorted, breakfast done and dusted, so I was waiting for the pan to heat up for me to fry the chicken and mushrooms. I was just going to tell you that I actually went to spin today. This is my first day back since our trip to Cornwall. It's Monday morning, well it was Monday morning, and I made it to a 7:30 a.m. class. I had so much more energy throughout the day. I honestly feel like morning exercise is the key to happiness, or to feeling accomplished for the day. Oh, I also saw a lovely subscriber in there. Sophie, hi. if you saw me. Well, you did see me because we chatted. But yeah, I hope you're watching this. So lovely to meet you. I don't think I'm someone that's ever gonna love exercising, but I know how important it is. It also kind of like helps regulate me around my period, and I don't know, just keep me on track with feeling good. So I'm definitely gonna be doing a little bit more of that. I think my pan's ready. I'm just gonna put some olive oil in. My God, I'm still getting to grips with this stainless steel pan. I find it really stressful. I'm always like I basically I don't get the whole thing about like heating it up so much that things don't stick to it, because then I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna burn everything. I know you can then turn the heat down, but I just don't get it. Like, what's the science behind that? Why are you able to turn the heat down? It's all a bit of a mystery for me. Anyway, let me get on with frying this chicken. Also, best kitchen utensil ever. These bloody things. I feel like a 90s dad at a barbecue, or my dad at a barbecue, but they're so handy for in the kitchen. Part of me wants to get some like Molly Baz style chopsticks for the kitchen, but for now I'll be the 90s dad. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Okay, let's do the sauce together. I think I'm gonna start with the base of soy. Also, there's some mushrooms left over in this bowl, but I'm just gonna leave them there because that's fine. Okay, let's come off. I'm just gonna do that much. 2 tablespoons of oyster. I'm gonna do a little splash of the rice wine vinegar. Rice wine? Is it vinegar? Rice wine vinegar, yeah. White rice vinegar. I'm gonna add 2 heaped teaspoons of the crispy chili oil. I can just see here. I'm also gonna do a little splash of fish sauce. This one. I'm gonna give it a mix. That actually tastes delicious. I'm not even just saying it. I'm just popping on at the very end of this video to say thank you so much for watching. I wanted to remind you about the code for Organic Basics. If you would like 10% off, then head to the link in the description box. Sorry about Matt, he's doing the dishes currently. Head to the link in the description box and use my code JessHarris10 for 10% off. Thank you so much to Organic Basics for sponsoring this video. I will see you guys for another one same time next week, if not on Wednesday. I'm trying to do a Wednesday upload these days, so let's see how we get on with that. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye.